What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another dyno video. Today we've got a S650 behind me on the dyno. This thing has a P1X Procharger. It is the stage 2 kit. We've got the big blow-off valve on it, and then we also installed a full exhaust system. So we've got headers, catback, and injectors as well. This car does not have a fuel system on it, so today we're just going to be doing 93 and seeing what kind of numbers it can make. It's going to be tuned by Rob Shoemaker, and obviously he knows what he's doing, so hopefully we can see. My guess is about 600 to maybe 615, low 600s without the fuel system. No boosted pump, no additional pumps, nothing like that. It's just straight up just injectors, and the rest is the same. So we're going to see what we can make on 93. So our first pull, we made 566 wheel, and like I said, this is just on 93. That was our first baseline pull. We're waiting on Rob to get back to us and make sure everything looks good. One thing I noticed is I thought we had blown a intercooler pipe off because the pipe was like flexed up a little bit, but she's all good to go. We do have a little bit of a large pulley on this thing. It's like a 4.5 because we don't really want to make too much boost, obviously, without the fuel system. But when he does come back for his fuel system, then we can kind of start to party, maybe put like a 4.0, a 3.7. 3.7 might be a little much, but yeah, 566 for the initial pull is not bad. This is a manual car, so just for anyone out there doing comparison or any wondering, this is a manual car. It has catted headers. Everything was installed here, so we are a dealer for Procharger. It has stainless power headers on it, the 1 7/8", and then a Corsa Extreme catback. So this thing is obnoxiously loud. He said he wanted loud, so I was like, man, bro, I got you. All right, we're gonna hook it up. $625, not bad. No fuel system. 93 octane. 625 to the wheels on the last pull, and from what we were seeing in the logs, it's probably anywhere from 10 or 11 pounds of boost, somewhere in there. Probably more on the 10-pound side, but again, on 93 octane, no octane booster or anything like that. It's on the 4.5-inch pulley, and we were talking to Rob, and he was wanting to switch over to a 4.25 pulley, but we're gonna try a revision really quick and see what that picks up. We also think we may have had the dyno limit us near the top of the RPM, so that might have played a factor on the top end. So now we've got enough space so the dyno won't pretty much shut down at a certain speed. So we're gonna try this revision that Rob is sending us right now and see what we make. Going on a little bit there. 630, not too bad. Not sure if we gotta correct that a little bit, but not too bad. So we made 629 on that last pull. We're still getting a little bit of knock with the car. Hopefully we can figure out what's going on there. We don't really know if something's kind of just pissing the knock sensor off or really what's going on. It doesn't look like anything's hitting or causing any vibrations to trigger them, but we are on 93, so who knows the quality of it or the age and stuff like that. A whole bunch of factors play into, you know, why a vehicle might have the knock sensors going off. So, but it's nothing alarming. Obviously, if it picks up just a little bit, it's always going to take your timing out and cut your power a little bit. But we're going to wait for Rob to respond on this last log. And I really want to see it make 650. We already made more than what my personal guess was, like 615-ish. So if it can make 650, that would be awesome as well. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like and comment, because we're going to do another 650 as well. We're going to be putting a Roush one on the dyno here very soon. So make sure you guys subscribe so you can stick around and watch that one. More straight. There we go, 664. Finally, that's a lot better. All right, so we just made 664 to the wheels, which is pretty impressive. Obviously overshot my estimation and guess. We are now putting a little bit of E85 in this thing because we're kind of like at the point of not too many people have done the Prochargers on the 650s yet. So kind of seeing how far we could take it on stock fuel system, no boost to pump, just the injectors. And this is the P1X kit, again, on a 4 or 5 pulley. We're making around 10, 11 pounds of boost. So 664 is pretty good. I mean, honestly, overshot what the customer was expecting without the fuel system. So Nick just put a couple of gallons of ethanol in, and we're going to cycle it through, make sure it's getting up to the rails and everything, and then we're going to make another rip. $709, baby. That's pretty good. 709 to the wheels with our dinner plate pulley on here. No fuel system, no boost to pump, just the injectors. Pretty impressive. Hell yeah. 737. All right, so we made 737 to the rear wheels with a little bit of ethanol in the tank. We previously made 709 after we first put it in, and I called Rob and he said, hey, let's put a little bit more in there because I think it's got more power to make. So it did just that. It picked up another 30 on top of the initial pull. With just a 93, it made 664, which is impressive in itself because we do have a pretty large pulley on here. It made around 11 pounds of boost with the P1X and the 4.5-inch pulley. It does have full exhaust, and as far as fuel system goes, it has nothing but injectors, no boost to pump, no rails, no lines, nothing, just injectors. So if you guys want pretty much this same kit on your S650, then we are actually offering them on our website, or you can give us a call or email, and we offer this complete kit, whether it be just the parts shipped to your door, or if you want an actual labor and parts package all in one. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like and comment. We're going to be bringing a lot more 650 content to you guys so we can, you know, pretty much figure out this brand new platform together. So we'll see you guys on the next video.